Hello children, how are you? Welcome back to new quantum classes. Myself Sanjay Kumar, chemistry expert. Today I bring fourth, fifth one part of this video. This video is for a 10th class chemistry student, 10th class science student, and this one video is only for chemistry. Earlier in fourth video, I have completed 80 questions. Now I'm going to finish uh, 20 more questions. These more questions will helpful with your improving your knowledge and encouragement, and also you will be blessed by the knowledge. Now let's start. I'm not going to kill a lot of time for you. And one more thing I would like to tell you that okay, if you did not watch all my four videos, okay, in that way you have to watch these videos with the help of links which are you are getting in description box. So this is very important topic. And another I would like to tell you that you have to subscribe my channel new quantum classes, and like my video, share this video to your friends, and press bell icon for more updates. Thank you so much. Let's start. Which of the following is an olfactory indicator? तो पहले हम सारे इंडिकेटर के बारे में थोड़ी जानकारी देते हैं। टर्मेरिक, ठीक है, ये भी आपका एसिड बेस है, इंडिकेटर है। लिटमस दोनों को बताता है, ठीक है। फिर आपका है ऑल ऑफ अबव, ये नहीं हो सकता। केवल अनियन एक ऐसी पदार्थ है जो ऑल्फैक्टरी इंडिकेटर के नाम से जाना जाता है। अगर कोई ब्लाइंड पर्सन है तो अनियन की मदद से वो स्मेल करके अलग अलग प्रकार की सब्सटेंसेस को डिफ्रेंशिएट कर सकता है। नाउ so the answer of 81 question is B. Now we have to move on 82 question. What happens when a base is added to vanilla? Options are A. Color of vanilla changes into red. B. Vanilla become a colorless. C. Vanilla loses its smell. D. Nothing happens. Vanilla ice cream everybody eat, everybody tasted. So that is a very special kind of ice cream. It has a very fantastic smell, flavor. Whenever we add the base, the smell or essence which is coming, aroma is coming from a vanilla has been loses. So the answer of 82 question is C. Now we have to move on 83. What happens when an acid is added to vanilla? A. Color of vanilla changes into red. Color of vanilla changes into red. B. Vanilla becomes colorless. Or C. Vanilla loses its smell. D. Nothing happens. If we add some amount of acid to the vanilla, in that way nothing happen. It means that vanilla only react in presence of base. Its smell has been lost. Now we have to concentrate on question number 84. Question number 84 is what is original color of phenolphthalein solution, which is an indicator? So I would like to tell you that phenolphthalein is a colorless. It does not have any kind of color. That's why phenolphthalein convert into pink color in base only. Okay, understand? So you got a two questions, two answers. Now question number 85. In question number 85, you observe that phenolphthalein exhibit which color in base? Earlier I told you what is the color? Pink color. Now next one question is 86. Phenolphthalein exhibit which color in acid? No, it's remain colorless. Phenolphthalein does not give any color in acid medium. It gives it gives pink color in basic medium. Now we have to move on 87 question. Methyl orange, which is an indicator, turns into which color with an acid? Which color with an acid? 87. So in 87 question, hmm, methyl orange is an indicator turns acid. In acid, it give a red color, while in base give a yellow color. So you can understand both two question 87 and 88. Now we have moved to 89 question. What the original what the original color of methyl orange solution, which is an indicator? Which is an indicator? A. Yellow. B. Orange. C. Pink. D. Red. D. Red. What is the original color of methyl orange? The color of methyl orange is orange in color. Name of the representing of methyl orange is orange color. Now point number question number 90. Which of the following compound is formed when zinc reacts with hydrochloric acid? Zinc react hydrochloric acid. So zinc when which form reacted hydrochloric acid? Okay, zinc chloride is formed. Zinc chloride is formed. Let me explain the chemical reaction. Zn plus 2HCl gives ZnCl2 plus H2. Now next one. Which of the following compound is formed when zinc reacts with sodium hydroxide? Sodium zincate. Where is the sodium zincate? This one, B. Option B is correct answer. Understand? Now question number 92. Which of the following gas is formed when an acid reacts with metal carbonate? A. Carbon monoxide. B. Carbonic acid. C. Carbon dioxide gas. D. Hydrochloric acid gas. So the answer is carbon dioxide gas. Now question number 93. What happens when hydrogen carbonate reacts with an acid? Hydrogen carbonate react with an acid. A. Lime butter turns milky. B. Lime butter turns colorless. C. Lime butter turns bluish. D. Lime butter turns black. So lime butter turns milky. Understand? Now question number 95. In question number 95, what is happening? What happens when excess of carbon dioxide gas is passed through lime butter? A. Lime butter first turns milky and then colorless. Lime butter turns bluish. Lime butter turns milky. C. D. Lime butter turns blackish. So think about what happened when excess carbon dioxide. Lime butter first turns milky, then colorless. This is correct answer. So I have completed 95. 5 questions are remain. After that video has been closed. Now 96. What is the nature of non-metallic oxide? It is basic, A basic, or B acidic, C neutral, or D none of these. It means that acidic nature of a non-metallic oxide. Non-metallic oxide always are acidic. Next one, a basic solution is added to test tube. Basic solution is added to test tube. A blue and red litmus paper is dipped into the basic solution. What will happen to both litmus paper? So simply we can see that blue litmus paper, no color change in base, and red litmus paper convert into blue. Okay, this is the true. 98. Question number 98 is, a solution of pH 2 is filled in two separate beakers. A few drops of the methyl orange and phenolphthalein are added to separate solutions. How will the color of the indicators changes? 98. Methyl orange become red, phenolphthalein colorless. This is the correct answer. Now question number 99. Last to second question is that question number 99. What is happening in question number 99? When dilute sulfuric acid is added to solid X, a gas bi is formed. Okay. Along with the formation of a solution solid, what could be X? The X will be zinc. Okay, X will be zinc, bi will be hydrogen. This is the correct answer for the 99. B option is correct. You are observing that only simple questions are asking. They are just making framing. Okay, question number is that when a base react with a metal, it forms a salt and hydrogen gas is released. By what method the presence of hydrogen can be detected? A. By methyl orange. B. By butter. C. By litmus paper. D. By a burning candle. Okay, so the question is that by a burning candle. Okay, you understand that what is the presence of hydrogen gas? Burning candle, whenever we bring that hydrogen gas burst or pops by the pop sound. Thanks for watching, and I hope that you have to share this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए बाय बाय. थैंक यू सो मच.